Hi students, in this video we discuss about aromatic compounds part 2. In part 1 we discuss about 3-membered aromatic compounds, 4-membered aromatic, non-aromatic and aromatic compounds, 5-membered, certain 6-membered compounds. In this video we discuss about remaining 6-membered aromatic, non-aromatic and aromatic compounds, 6 and 7-membered compounds. It is 6-membered compound, benzene, famous aromatic compound. A simple trick is there to derive the 6-membered aromatic compounds. CH2, the group having valence electrons, carbon having 4 valence electrons, each H having 1 valence electron, totally 6 valence electrons. This group having 6 valence electrons is equal to CH minus also having 6 valence electrons because carbon 4, H 1 valence electron 5 minus 1 is equal to NH. NH also divalent, these are divalent groups. This divalent group having 6 valence electrons. These are 6 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons. Oxygen have 6 valence electrons. Sulfur also have 6 valence electrons. All these are divalent groups. All these are in divalent state. They are having 6 valency electrons. Next one, CH plus. They are divalent group having 4 valence electrons. BH, it also having 4 valence electrons. Very important trick to derive the aromatic or non-aromatic compounds from the 6-membered compound. This trick is also used in 5-membered rings. Here CH group in benzene, each corner is CH group. So here CH group contains how many electrons? CH group contains 5 valence electrons. So equal to N is replaced by N having 5 valency electrons. These are the simple tricks to derive the 6-membered aromatic, anti-aromatic or non-aromatic compounds. This is also used for to derive the 5-membered ring, applied to 5-membered ring. In previous video, we derived 5-membered aromatic and anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compounds using these tricks. Here, CH is replaced by N. We obtain 6-membered aromatic compound known as pyridine. A solvent is aromatic compound. N have lone pair. That lone pair does not involve in delocalization. Each atom is sp2 hybridization. N also sp2 because having 2 sigma pairs and 1 lone pair. Total pairs 3 sp2. Pyridine, aromatic compound. Next, another CH group is replaced by N. Benzene. Here N. It is known as pyrimidine. 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 It is the N base, nitrogen base, present in DNA. Next one, 3 CH groups of benzene in alternate position is replaced by N atom. Here triazine, it is called triazine. Triazine. Next one, 6-membered with 2 double bonds. non-aromatic because here CH2 groups sp3 carbon, these are sp3 carbons, so it is non-aromatic. Next one, CH2 is replaced by CH minus, here NH, here it is CH2 plus, it is NH. All atoms are sp2, it is sp2 carbon. Lone pair of N is present in delocalization. So what is the hybridization of N atom? 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma pairs sp2. Total delocalized electron 6. So it is aromatic. It is heterocyclic 6-membered aromatic compound. Lone pair is present in delocalization. Total electron 6. All are sp2 hybridization atoms. Planar and follows Hückel rule. So aromatic compound. sp2 carbon, all are sp2. Here in place of NH, O, NH have 6 electrons, O also have 6 valence electrons. It is also aromatic. One lone pair is localized, one is delocalization. This lone pair is primary delocalization. So what is the hybridization of oxygen? This lone pair is not counted to oxygen because delocalized, it is not localized, it is localized lone pair. One localized lone pair, 2 sigma pairs, totally 3 sp2 hybridization. By counting lone pairs and sigma pair, you can treat the hybridization. Delocalized pair is not considered because delocalization is by delocalization. So all are sp2 atoms. Delocalized electron 6. According to Hückel's rule, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6, n is equal to 1. So aromatic. Next one. Here CH minus, this minus electron, lone pair of electrons and carbon, primary delocalization. What is the hybridization of carbon sp2? All are sp2, it is also sp2, aromatic. CH minus is replaced by NH. We obtain another aromatic compound. NH is replaced by O. Is also aromatic compound. Next one. Here O. CH2 is replaced by O. Having two lone pairs, one is localized, another is delocalized. Delocalized electron 6. All are sp2 atoms, planar. Paulus Hückel rule, it is also aromatic. In place of O, NH. NH having lone pair is also aromatic. All these are the 6-membered heterocyclic aromatic compounds. It is aromatic compound. Here CH plus is replaced by BH. We have another type of aromatic compound. Here BH. Boron empty called. What is the hybridization of boron? sp2. So this lone pair of oxygen and 3 to 5 pairs. Delocalization is also planar molecule and follows Hückel rule. So aromatic compound. All these are the 6-membered aromatic compounds. Then we discuss about 7-membered compounds. This 7-membered ring. Here it is sp3 carbon. All these are sp2 carbons. So it is non-aromatic. non-planar, non-aromatic, non-aromatic, because it is sp3 carbon, non-planar, so non-aromatic. Next one here, CH minus, in place of CH2, CH minus. Having in place of CH2 minus, replace plus CH plus, is called triplyum cation. Having all are sp2 carbons, number of d local electrons 6. So follows Fickle rule, planar and aromatic. In place of CH plus BH. sp2 atom, all are sp2 atoms, planar, number of d local electron 6. So follows Fickle rule, aromatic. All are sp2, follows Fickle rule, aromatic. These three are aromatic compounds with 7-membered ring. In place of CH2, we put CH minus. We obtain another compound, 7-membered ring. Here CH minus. This negative charge is lone pair is friend delocalization. All are sp2 carbons. Does not obey Fickle rule because d local electrons is equal to 8, 4n is equal to 8, n is equal to, so it is anti-aromatic. The d local electrons equal to if d local electron equals to 4n plus 2 and solving n gives 0, 1, 2, 3, it is aromatic. If number of d local electrons equals to 4n, then n is equal to 0, 1, 2, that is anti-aromatic, so it is anti-aromatic. Next one, CH minus is replaced by NH. You have another anti-aromatic compound, 7-membered ring, heterocyclic, because in ring heteroatom is there, n is the heteroatom, and having on lone pair NH, so it is anti-aromatic. In place of NH, oxygen atom, another heterocyclic aromatic compound, 7-membered. These are the 7-membered anti-aromatic compounds. Anilines are the cyclic hydrocarbons which are having conjugated double bonds. For example, is the hydrocarbon having conjugation double bonds. Anilines are the cyclic hydrocarbons with alternative pi bonds. So it is aniline. This is aniline 4. Aniline 4. Benzene is aniline 6. Cyclic hydrocarbon having conjugated pi bonds. So benzene is aniline 6. Aniline 8. Next one, aniline 8. Is the aniline 8, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Aniline 8. Aniline 10. Is the aniline 10. Is the aniline 10. Next one, aniline 12. It is aniline 4, aniline 6, aniline 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 18, 20 also there. In these anilines, aniline 6, aniline 14, aniline 18 are aromatic. Remember, aniline 6, aniline 14, aniline 18. These are planar and aromatic. Aniline 4 is anti-aromatic. Aniline 8 has a tub conformation. To attain stability, it is not planar molecule. To attain stability, it is just in stable tub conformation. It is the stable tub conformation of the aniline 8. Aniline 8 has a tub conformation. So it is non-planar. So non-aromatic. Aniline 10 also non-planar and non-aromatic. Remember, all the carbons are sp2, but it is not planar. In the case of cyclic compounds, if more carbons, then what happens? To attain stability, they reaches stable conformation. But what happens? Conjugation does not occur. All pi bonds are not in the same plane. So conjugation is missing. So they are not planar. So except 6, 4, 18. 4 is anti-aromatic. 4 is anti-aromatic. 6, 4, 6, 14, 18 are aromatic. All are planar. 6, 14, 18 are planar and aromatic. Remaining are non-planar. It is about anilines. Aniline 10 is non-planar and non-aromatic compound. If the two H atoms in trans orientation, if they are replaced by CH2 group, then molecule becomes planar. It is aromatic. Next one, in place of CH2, these two H atoms are replaced by CH minus. We obtain the compound is aromatic. Next one, O, in place of CH minus O, we also obtain aromatic. Or NH, obtain aromatic. The important rule is, if the H atoms are replaced by CH minus NH O, then we obtain planar molecules which are aromatic in nature. In next video, we discuss about remaining aromatic compounds, benzyl and non-benzyl aromatic compounds. If you like my video, subscribe my channel.